Hello students, welcome to class 5th. Our lesson's topic is disaster and rescue. In our last session, we have seen some picture observation that one person is drawing into the water, and if there are floods in the village, what type of problems can occur, what damage is caused due to the floods, when is such situation is seen. Dear children, when there is a rainy season, many are happily going to see the water and jumping in it, and afterwards drowning in it. We are looking into the newspaper. So it is very dangerous to go into the unknown water. You can see in the picture that unknown water, afterwards it is drowning to us if we don't know how to swim. So, swimming is an art. We should learn the swimming, but at a time we should not put our life into the danger by going into the deep of water, and especially when the water is very strange, because we don't know what is the depth of the water. So, such type of situation is arising, then it is advisable that don't go for swimming or bathing into the unknown water. Through the various questions, we have come to know what the occurrence of the flood is a disaster. We have to face a lot of problem in such disasters when there is a storm, when there is a house on the fire, when we are eating outside food in a group, then these things are happen that we have discussed in our last point. Look at the observation. One boy is going on a road and he is not on the footpath. Suddenly a car is knocking down and the head is damaged. People are gathered and the boy is injured very well. Accident happens because of that road trafficking situations. We are not in control. We are happily or unknowingly walking on the road instead of walking on the footpath or instead of walking on the side. We can avoid such accident by not to walk on the road. Instead of walking on the road, we should always walk to the side of the road. What sort of problems arise after the accident? You can see that there are everywhere bloodshed is there in the boy's body because of accident. Such type of accident occurs when we fall down from the vehicle, when we jump down suddenly, when we sleep, when we are running and knocking down with the others. This is very common in our school day-to-day life when the children are getting with the accident. So we should always avoid such type of things and maintain a proper guideline for the roadside safety. That is why government is always initiating to work out on the traffic safety and traffic rules. Even if we are not keeping in mind, ignoring them and continuously doing this, that is why accidents are happening. So we can avoid the accident by this way. If you are running to catch a free flying kite, it is also a dangerous. Kite cost is nothing, but when you get accident, it is dangerously creating problem for us. We may knock down by the unknown vehicles which is coming backward or front to us. We are not knowing what situation is arising. So it is very dangerous to catch a freely flying kites during those days, during the Uttarayan time. Some are falling down from the terrace, some are getting knocked down. Sometime the neck is also cut down with the unknown thread. That is a dangerous situation. So we have to cover our neck with some special kind of things, or even handkerchief or any important things to in order to protect our neck. That is very important. This is one of the protocol of flying a kite. Many a times students are ignoring this and getting accident. We shall have the more discussion and topics based on this in our next video session. I advise all the students to read this very well properly. In next session we shall talk more about it. Till then I remain. Thank you.